So today I'm going to show you how to receive money on PayPal. Now we're actually here with the app in real time so you can follow along step by step. And obviously you do need to have a PayPal account, which if you don't, I'll have a video on how to do just that at the end of this one. Now, just as a quick heads up, there are actually multiple ways to receive money on PayPal. You can give somebody your phone number or email account that you have on file. You can also send them a link, but honestly, the quickest way is with the QR code that they can scan directly from their phone to go ahead and send you money. Now, in order to do that, you can see over here on the top right-hand side, you're going to have your profile icon, or it might be some initials for you, but to the left of that, you're going to see this little icon right over here. This is a QR code. Let's go ahead and click on this. And that's going to take you to this page right over here that's set up as scan. But if you actually go to the middle section, which says your code, let's go ahead and click on this. This is going to be your personal QR code that anybody can scan directly from their phone to help you receive money on PayPal. You can also download this as well if you wanted to have it offline. Now, like I mentioned, I want to show you how to sign up for a PayPal account if you do not already have so, and check out our video right over here to learn how to do just that.